Hi, my name is Josefin. Today we're going to do a short little breathing exercise, Pranayama, that is a little bit weird. It's called Sitali, and it's also known to be a cooling breath. And some people even say that if you're thirsty, hungry, or tired, it can help you if you can't eat, drink, or sleep. So give it a try and see what you think. The thing that you do in this breathing exercise is to curl your tongue and breathe in through your tongue like a straw, and the moisture on your tongue cools the air before it reaches your lungs. So that's why it's cooling. And even if you can't curl your tongue like this, you can still do it, but then you put your tongue against your lower teeth and breathe through your teeth like this. So then the tongue cools the air on the way in as well. So if you want to do it with me, then take a few deep breaths. Just get into your body and calm down. And then curl your tongue. Breathe in through your tongue. Exhale through your nose. Inhale through your tongue. Exhale through your nose. Keep going with your own breath. And then slowly open your eyes. And let me know what you thought about this breath. I haven't used it that much, but I've used it a little bit when I've been in warm countries. But let me know what you think in the comments, and please press a like if you like it. And if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe. And I hope you have a great day. Namaste.